स्वागत है आपका आप 24/7 में। मेरा नाम है कार्तिक और अभी हमारे साथ जुड़ चुकी हैं जो कि प्रोफेशन से एक सीए भी हैं और एक अच्छी खासी इन्फ्लुएंसर भी हैं। इनका नाम है दीपिका गुप्ता। आइए चलिए जानते हैं इनको मारवा स्टूडियोज में आने के बाद कैसा लगा, क्योंकि आज हम लोग का 17th ग्लोबल फिल्म फेस्टिवल का दूसरा दिन है। तो मैम यहाँ आके आपको कैसा लग रहा है?
I'm feeling absolutely amazing. The energy is great and it was absolute pleasure meeting you all.
थैंक यू मैम। मैम मेरा एक सवाल था आपसे कि बेसिकली यू आर इन्फ्लुएंसर, तो आप जो कंटेंट है वो उठाती कहाँ से है, मतलब वो लेती कहाँ से कंटेंट?
So I think it was always like I have a niche for dressing and outfit, and then so that was the start. That's how I started. So people used to say that I dress up really well, and that's how I started. Why not to showcase this to general public? So many people used to ask me in office also, what inspires you for the dressing, and share us the details about your outfits. So like, why not to start it as a content creation, and that's how I started it.
Ma'am,
so I think that's the general influence. So I don't really follow any trend. I just feel dressing is all about expressing yourself. So I dress what makes me feel comfortable, what makes me feel like myself, and that's what the inspiration is all about.
मैम प्रोफेशनली आप सीए हैं,
Yes.
लेकिन आप एक इन्फ्लुएंसर भी हैं, तो आप अपने प्रोफेशनल लाइफ और ये इन्फ्लुएंसिंग लाइफ, ये दोनों चीजों को मतलब मैनेज कैसे करती हैं आप?
That's a very good question. You actually, I think it's slightly challenging to keep a balance between the two, because I'm a part of a consulting firm. I've been there for good 12 years plus, so that my job is pretty demanding too. It's not very easy because if you would have known about the consulting background, the jobs are pretty challenging. It's not very easy 9 to 5 jobs. That's not the case. Even sometimes you have to work on the weekends also, so it's pretty challenging. All I do to ensure that I keep a balance between the two is that I try to plan my day a little better. So I just ensure that whenever I start my day, I write down what all things I'm going to do in a day, and then execute it accordingly. So before starting my office also, I give 1-2 hours of time for my content creation, other tasks to be done during the day. And I try shooting on some of the weekends and then editing on some of the weekends. So that's how I plan and do it. And in the evening, once I'm free from office, I attend all the events.
मैम एक छोटा सा सवाल मेरा और था आपसे कि जैसे कि आप हमारे दर्शकों को बताना चाहें कि जो अगर कोई इन्फ्लुएंसर बनता है तो उनको किन किन चैलेंजेस का सामना करना पड़ता है, या फिर बहुत लोग चाहते हैं कि इन्फ्लुएंसर बने बट उन्हें पता नहीं होता कि हम कैसे आइडिया पिचिंग करें या कुछ भी, तो इसके लिए अगर कुछ हमारे दर्शकों को आप बताना चाहती तो?
The key problem is that everybody wants to become an influencer, not a content creator. I think you have to try to become a content creator first, because I think people run after the fame. So they just try to replicate some of the things and look for a short success. I think you have to be really enthusiastic and passionate about what you are doing. And you have to be really true to yourself and your audience, and I think that's the key to success. Of course, people will get influenced as you grow, and maybe you will be influencing limited people in the beginning, but then more people would be influenced. But the challenge is that people are feeling to become a content creator, they are trying to become an influencer, so they have to try to become a content creator first.
तो मैम बेसिकली जो हमारे दर्शक हैं वो एक और चीज आपसे जानना चाहेंगे कि जो आइडिया पिचिंग का जो जैसे आपने बात किया, तो वो बेसिकली जो आइडिया पिचिंग आती है, लाइक योर इंस्टा आईडी, मैंने देखा था और नाम पढ़ा था उसका, दीपिकाज ट्रेंडी टेल्स।
Yes.
तो बेसिकली आप आइडिया जो मेनली आप पिच करते कहाँ से हो, क्योंकि बहुत ऐसे कंटेंट आते होंगे जिनमें कभी व्यूज कम चले गए तो एक डिमोटिवेशन सा आ जाता होगा, तो मैम उस मामले में आप कैसे करती हो कि ऐसा कंटेंट कैसे बनाती हो जिससे लोग अट्रैक्ट हो या कुछ भी हो?
So it's never like the best content will get the best views, or the worst content is not going to do well. So it's sometimes a game of luck as well, and sometimes it depends on your audience also. So when it comes to Insta, I think, or any other platform also, there's an audience for every kind of content. So it's also a gameplay of course, the content you have created, the reach which Instagram has provided, and the kind of technology you're using in terms of the hashtags and all those Insta things which will ask the algorithm to reach the content to the right audience. That's something gonna help you.
थैंक यू सो मच मैम। हमें भी पता है आपको टाइम का थोड़ा शॉर्टेज है, इसी के लिए जुड़े रहिए आप 24/7 नोएडा के साथ। धन्यवाद।